What is up? Lock picking newbie here, and in video 29 I single pin picked this American Lock 1100 series padlock. These have proven to be quite the challenge. It's a great lock, and I really like them. In fact, I've ordered several more. The thing that's cool about these is you can get them in multiple colors. Just build a whole collection. They're pretty awesome. In any event, I saw that they make a Lishi, the AM5, just for American Lock padlocks. So I couldn't resist, being the fan of the Lishi 2-in-1 tool that I am. I figured, well, I just got to have it added to the arsenal. And I thought we would give it a try and see if it's as effective as the single pin picking was in video 29. So let's get this bad boy set up and lock. I think that right there will orient it where we want it. Let me get him set up here. And get it set up so we can see. And the key, let's see, Lishi key should slip right in there, and it does, fits perfectly. Let me orient this so the camera can see it. Okay. So, will the Lishi tool be as effective as the single pin picking was? Let's take a look. Alright. Let's get to picking here. Nothing on 6. I think it's just a 5-pin lock. 5 is really super tight, as is 4. Let's go down to 3. Got some rotation on the keyway, and we'll go to 2. A little bit. No, 1. There we go. And 1. And it's open. This lock has been picked with the Lishi 2-in-1 tool. Pretty impressive. I gotta admit, I love these Lishi tools. They're about $70 a piece, but I think if you're serious about picking locks, it's definitely worth having some of these in your tool bag. Open. Wow. Okay, well, there you have it. American Lock 1100 series has been picked by a newbie using a Lishi 2-in-1 AM5. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you next time. Lock picking newbie out.